Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a daily Forex forecast and today it's 30th May 2023. So second last day of the month of 2023 and uh, I have seen some good moves on gold today. This week I have analyzed it. So very nice comeback of the bulls, I should say. I will be discussing that in today's video. Plus dollar yen and yes, mostly the dollar yen. If I look at that, that's also like standing at a very good place. So where is that? Let me find it first. I was looking at it today and let's open this one, and exactly from 140.380 it took a reversal. Let's have a look at it. I want to add period separators as well uh, for this specific pair. So see, today it fell from the level around 136 pips of a drop it was, and last night I discussed it, so I'm sure you must have seen that video. Now obviously there is something about the dollar yen, right? Because it bounced from a level, even if we see the H4, it bounces off from a very good level, 140.380. I was talking about it since the beginning of this month, May. So gold, dollar and dollar yen in correlation, I will be looking at them uh, and mostly I will be talking about them, plus pound yen. One of the follower out there was stuck from 168 on a sell, so I will be looking into that as well. And first of all, I'm sorry that to hear that you have a stuck trade and you have a very smaller account and then you took a very big lot on that. So I cannot say anything, but my well wishes will always be with you. So yes, one follower has a stuck trade. So pound yen, I will be discussing it today as well, right? So I want to be seated very comfortably. Okay my friends, let's see gold. First of all, clear everything. Have a look at this. Just ignore this green candle that the gold moved today for now, and have a look at this H4. Just like in my weekly forex forecast video, I discussed that this double top, I mean this is a retest, like most of us we call them double top, but in reality it is just a retest of the previous broken level, or a retest of the support or the resistance level. This is a double tops, like so. Here it is a resistance, that's why we call it double top. Otherwise the double top and bottom concept is very different than this. So it gave a very nice signal to short gold, and there was a hidden channel that I was talking about, and even today till now so far price has bounced off from this channel. Here the H4 candle, just have a look at it, but This H4 price action, I will be discussing it as well. And on the daily, obviously this candle is not yet closed, so I cannot say anything about it. But one thing, this daily candle, and even in the weekly forex forecast video, I have told and I have said that I don't need any daily close above 1961 for now, because later I have to change that weekly analysis that I uploaded um on Sunday. Make sure to watch it if you are watching my channel for the first time. uh, Go through that video levels as well. So a drop was expected, and it did. Even in the last video, a level I have discussed with you for the day traders, and I'm sure you must have good profits by now. This is the H1, like it was the H1 plan, right? 61.8 right here. See, let me make it like this, okay, so that you don't get confused. 61, and if I draw an ABCD on it, this is actually the Elliott wave theory, sort of, you can say. And it gave me a level of 1928, right? So just like I said, 120 pips, if you are risking, you should get at least 150 pips. The I assume even if you left the trade right here, still that would be fine. But okay, that is the past story. Obviously, this is one point of concern for me, obviously. Why? Because when a Fibonacci was supposed to complete near 1928, the ABCD pattern of the Elliott wave, how come this possible it left this place unfilled? Now it shows me this, right? Impulsive wave, this one. See, a very nice, important and perfect impulsive wave it is, but I have to go through the RSI readings. Since this is H1, yes, that's okay for overbought. And let's see. Yes, okay, overall okay, I should say. Yes, fine. And this at the moment it's standing at the Fibonacci zone. From where I am looking for some sell opportunities. 1967, today it did not went up there, but obviously this much profit, and then this buy, if you, it was again supposed to be from here, but I assume on the break of this you must have took around 150 pips from the trade. So that's very nice and decent. Now coming to the price action. I mean, price action is so simple, okay? Don't make it so much complicated for yourself. I'm not sure why you guys try to make things complicated for yourself, and that is sometimes, like, later on hard for you to understand as well. So try to keep things simple. And I may sound a bit tired, but anyways, this is like 11:30 p.m. right here, almost midnight, so kind of sleepy. And anyways, what I was saying, yes, the price action till here it was fine. Till here I am a bit more like this whole, like, one this recent candle and the other this one seems like a market gone wrong type of, like, Asian session, very slow. But if we see, since this candle has a wick as well, and this is also a very good level for a sell trade near 1967 with a TP of 1917. So see, like the bears are constantly like pushing the market down, 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 and down. Very nicely, it's going to go down. But obviously, like we cannot say anything for 100% sure number. First thing, the second is this is market. The maybe if this candle closes above this during midnight, I will be sleeping then, and I will not be able to do anything. But according to the strategy, and this whole area is seems to be like coming back down to which price level? 1911. Keep that in mind. But one most important thing, since the daily candle is not yet closed, I'm not going to touch it at the moment, and I don't want to say anything in advance about this candle that how will it close, because I have no magic to know. But at least I will be looking tomorrow. It should not close above 1961.15. Even yesterday and the day before yesterday, I have told you in non-stop 2 videos constantly. So yes, this is it, and at the moment on the H4 there are some possibilities. The first one I have told you is this 500 pips down, further down move is expected. 500 pips. The second thing is, if we get a price close above this 1967, then what will we do? Obviously, then we will wait for the market to go up. So okay, this is market. Sometimes our levels will not be working. We cannot have any sort of force with the market. By force we cannot move this market. So it's okay, no problem. Don't need to be so sad, or you got my point. So that will be a total new different story. Okay, if it happens, I will be discussing that. And if that happens, I will have then obviously several levels, some the long terms and some the short term. See, as the time passes by and as I am getting new data, new levels start, like the strategies start to give me new levels. Now stay with me, because I have to discuss dollar yen as well, and then we'll be looking some sort of correlation that how these both pairs are moving together. Because sometimes the dollar yen, like most of the time, it give me an early sign that what's going to happen on the gold US dollar next. So dollar yen obviously gives early signs. Few years ago, 2-3 years ago, I used to correlate it with the dollar cat, but these days I correlate it with the dollar yen, because yen is also strong. Now these are the two levels. If we get a breakout, we get a retest, then obviously we'll be looking towards 2022. At the moment this 500 setup on a sell is active, but one thing I want to tell you is that sell at this moment is way too risky, my friends, way too risky. No long-term sell is advised at this stage. But yes, if price comes here and you want to get quickly 100-150 pips, you can get it like a piece of cake from the market, right? Now coming to the dollar yen, have a look at it. All of the previous impulses are completed. I don't want to go into the details of that, so let's first clean the chart. Let's hide these period separators, because I want a fresh chart right here. Let's make it smaller. Very nice, perfect. Now let's have a look at it. All of the levels are completed. A nice channel it is, very nice and perfect channel it is. See, no RSI overbought oversold, so I'm not considering this as an impulsive wave. Now I have to consider this whole as an impulsive wave. And let's find out the weekly levels as well. See, RSI overbought oversold, and this is the impulsive wave, and this is the level. So 140 was my expected forecast, and it did that. I had another level, and that was 142. That is yet pending, okay, because we have entered into fresh sell trades, and I will be looking for 133.944. Let's see, it may happen, it may not happen, but at the moment my stops are above 142.425. So now if the dollar yen is showing me that it's going down, obviously gold should go up. See, dollar yen is showing that it's going down, gold is showing it's going up. This is the long-term image which the market is giving me at the moment. Right now, have a look at it. This is confirmed for sell. Yes, on the H4, let's see. On the H4 we have to, still there is nothing, 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 nothing. Yes, here we go. On the H4, here is one good buy zone, but again buys are not recommended very well. Last night I gave you a trade that worked for around 104 pips today. I hope you must have made profits. Try to trade on demo. So 138.928 seems like it is coming back down, and till then gold will complete its remaining level of 1967. So let's see, a very good market is expected tomorrow, a very nice one, a profitable one. As far as the pound yen is concerned, so I have seen like started seeing some signs of reversal, but for sure nothing is yet confirmed. Just have a look at the candles, not very much satisfactory. So this was the daily forecast. I hope these levels will help you in some way. The purpose of my videos is to educate all of you, to make you consistent profitable traders, because that's the main goal of these videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself, leave me some comments and your feedback and likes, and I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.